Right, one day update, I can't have nipped ahead of these gates, but I'm very pleased with it. These are going to Invergordon, hopefully. That's it, finished. Right, wait to see that stones here. No, flare's no level. The flare's no level. The gate, anyway, that's the front of it, and that's the back of it. We've still to sand all this down and treat them, but look at that, they're not looking well, these gates. Very, very well indeed. And oh, by the way, you came here, I'm going on the 29th of October this month, I'm going up to Cumbernauld. For a wee kind of road show up there, I'm going up for a wee nosy. So anybody in Cumbernauld, let me ken nearer the time and maybe meet up for a coffee with you in Cumbernauld. The mighty WSC extension is on the road and on the move. Anyway, we thought somebody was coming in there, but they're no. Anyway, out with that, I better say this before I get into around. My very good friend Jamie Haddo, for Irving Fence, and a very good friend Jamie, and I have a lot of respect for Jamie, a good worker, good hard working boy. Hello Jamie. And I'll say it one more time, hello Jamie. And then Glenn Sullivan, I was going to ask you your question today about the post, but I can't do it, maybe tomorrow, Glenn, because the question you're asking about is better on the job to show you to self-explanatory. So hopefully this week, depending where I'm working, we'll get you answered this week, Glenn. I'm going to get into these idiot boards so I can write down all my messages, because I keep forgetting everybody. Wait to show you something else, But look at the gates in the way by, they know a thing of beauty. And that's what I'm saying, you need big hinges for them. I'm sorry, he's maybe a bit disagreeing with me, but I think you need big hinges for them. Wee hinges would be no good. A big broad gate. Anyway, look at this with me. Hiya boys, hiya, oh, you're there. I might not get to these cockles, look at that. I've made this because we're making the rest of the flare, so they were. So this is all contained here. Now come here till you see how we look after them. There's our water, that's the water. Quick, you see that tells you they're getting fed well if they're quick, because they tell you when they're hungry. Now there's lettuce in there, there's that there, right, there's, what is it, my wellies, there you go, there's meat, well, never mind, that's it. I've got a lettuce there, I've given a wee bit there, but there's also this here for them, that there. So they're the best kept cockles in the Shire. And I'm just going to give them this wee bit, and look at that, and they're very, very quaint and friendly. Come on boys, come on, look at that, they ken me. Look at them going for you. They ken me out of all the greens, ken me they like best. Lettuce. They like lettuce. Take these boys, right, I'm going for this. Boys, because mine last month somebody, the end of them, I don't know what it was, cut the cabbage in half with a knife, clean down the middle. What Yenny's was, you cut the cabbage, or what was it, a cabbage? No, wasn't it? Here we are, pal. Right, so I'm going to leave that for them. Tomorrow morning that will be. Right, so that's me, Monday, updated. Okay, Jamie Haddle, you happy now you've got a mention? No, that man's no, it's no happening, that's no happening. With Mark, Ken, I've stopped eating chicken. And Jamie Haddle, if you want to mention again, you'll need to stop eating chicken tea, Jamie, right? And the boy Sullivan tea. No, come on, come on, boys. Here, come on. Oh, man, don't get to them. Look, now stop it there. There you go. Right, so that's us away. You see that man with that knife thing? He's getting suspended for a week. Right, there you go, look, it's going for it. Please do it for the camera. Please do it. I know, squeak out them, look at that. Well looked after, spotless and clean, well fed, well educated. The only thing is, the rear end action's kind of naughty at times. They don't care where they do the rear end action near the day, as you'll see with the flare. But never mind, we sweep it up. See you all later, folks.